Hey there, fellow creators and collaborators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to track changes in Google Docs for 2025. If you've ever worked on a shared document and lost track of who changed what, this feature is your new best friend. It's all about seamless collaboration, and with the 2025 updates, it's even more intuitive. Let's dive right in. First off, what is Track Changes? It's a tool in Google Docs that lets you see edits in real time, highlight suggestions, and keep everything organized. This is especially handy for teams, writers, or anyone editing documents together. To get started, open your Google Docs document. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. That's key for all the collaborative magic. Step 1. Head to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down, select Suggesting Mode. In the 2025 version, this has been streamlined with a new icon in the toolbar for quicker access. Once you're in suggesting mode, any changes you make will appear as suggestions rather than direct edits. For example, if you're adding a paragraph, it'll show up with a colored highlight and your name attached. Next, let's talk about reviewing those changes. Go to the top right and click on the Comments or Suggestions panel. Here, you can see a list of all edits. To accept a change, just click the checkmark next to it. If something doesn't look right, hit the X to reject it. Pro tip: use the Resolve button to clean up accepted suggestions and keep your document tidy. And remember, you can always switch back to editing mode by clicking the same icon. One cool 2025 update is the improved version history. Go to File, greater than Version History, greater than See Version History, to view a timeline of changes, including who made them and when. This is perfect for tracking progress or reverting mistakes. There you have it, tracking changes in Google Docs made simple. Whether you're a student, professional, or just sharing notes with friends, this feature will level up your workflow. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.